They are. Now that Hugo has become their leader.
It was always his favorite game. Conquering.
Well, someone's dream came true.
Hey, look who survived.
A carnation. It's the first flower Hugo offered me. Just before we met you, Lucas.
Oh. Makes me feel old.
That flower is sure to put a smile on his face.
Yes.
What the hell?
Did he do this?
He's one with the macula now.
So we're really going in there?
I'm sorry.
That's all right. I had enough fun, I guess. And my boat is wrecked anyway. Just tell me we can stop this.
If we can get to him, maybe. But it'll be a deep dive.
Listen, I'll go. I'm the one who...
Amicia. We need whatever connects him to this world. We're all tied to him. So...
So let's dive.
I'm alive. You're alive?
Is it broken?
No. It's just...
Are you alright?
Sophia's hurt!
I'll try to join you.
Don't move.
I told you, I'm not made for land.
Not for landing, that's for sure.
Sorry.
Don't be. You've done more than enough. Lucas and I, we've... been through this before. Sort of.
Not all legends need sailors, huh? That's sad. Go. And come back with him.
I'll see you under the sun. Keep going. Hugo's close. Need to find Lucas first. Is that really you?
Amicia, I'm here!
Hey!
And Sophia?
She can't walk! It's only the two of us now!
We can still do this! You see that piece of wall standing below? The rats are going around it! Let's beat there!
Yes! But wait! One mistake and...
I know! But I've been counting, and they keep the exact same pacing. You can make it between two waves.
Good. All right!
Ready when you are. Don't worry, I'll keep up with you.
No!
Oh, goodness!
Run!
Ah!
It works!
Yes, let's keep running to the standing walls.
Hide, wait, and repeat.
Yes, Lead the way!
All right! Now!
Hey! Faster!
That's it!
I'm here!
Let's go! Whoa! Careful! That gate looks stuck!
Wait!
Are you ready?
I think so.
They're coming! Come on, do it! No! No, no, no!
Bloody hell!
Please hold! No, no, don't stay there! Move, move!
With you! This is madness!
Lucas, the rope!
I see it! Oh! My heart!
It will hold! Breathe! Moving!
Right!
There!
Please move!
These walls have to hold! Come on, Lucas!
I'm with you! No!
The bridge! Quick!
No! We won't make it!
We can! Run!
Yes! Yes!
We're here. I think we're safe.
For how long?
He's there, Lucas. He's... Look at you. Hiding under a blanket. Just like when you're sad.
The nebula's condensing around him. So much must be going on in there.
What should we expect to find?
Hard to tell. Think of it as a giant crucible where the macula, Hugo, and the nebula are merging. The visions of a deceived child dissolving into the atmosphere, changing the world. This is the last threshold. All natural laws stop here.
So we must cross it too?
To reach your brother, yes.
Right. Take a deep breath. Lucas! 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 Lord! Lucas! Where are you? Oh, my head spinning. Oh. Focus. You go first. Find him. Hugo, it's me! I'm alive! I'm back! Where are you? What's that? No. Can't be. A phoenix. here. Another one. What's going on? What's going on? What is this place? The phoenixes. They meant something. They showed the way. They must lead to him. Am I losing my mind? Hugo! Are you doing this? All natural laws stop here. Right. Hang on to that. Did you put them here, Hugo?
No. You did.
Hugo! Oh, thank the Lord! Where are you?
I'm here. I'm close.
I can't see you!
Because you're still looking back.
Those birds are the only thing here! They're showing the way, aren't they?
We tried that way, Amicia, and it was a lie.
Yes, that's it, I think. I'll keep going. What's happening to me? I feel...
I know you're lost and scared, but I'm with you.
I'll do whatever it takes. I want to see you. What is that? Hugo, where am I? Not them! No! Go away! Hugo! What's that now? What the hell? Get back! You're still just goddamn rats! I'll burn you all! You want me to run away? I'll get you back! You hear me?
I've seen you fight so many times.
Don't worry! I'll get them!
You still won't back down, will you?
It's us or them! I have no choice!
You have a choice, but it scares you. There are too many of us.
I don't care!
But I do. And it hurts to see you fight like that.
Like what?
Like before. And each battle mattered.
They still matter! They do! Stop coming!
If they won't, stop trying to be so tough. He might learn.
No, no, no! What happened? No, I'm back. I went back. Hugo, what did I do?
You're stuck in your head. It's hard to move forward when you're scared. I know. It's all right. You will do it.
I will. I'll do it again. I'll learn. It must work the same way. I need to go back there. Way out. I need that way out. Far from those birds. Keep a straight line. You'll get there. You're doing it. You're learning. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, those things are close. Do better this time. Get this right. Brazier won't stop them. You've got to be sharper. There! I get it! This is pointless. I surrender. I'm tired of all this. Too tired to fight. Please, I need to see you.
I'm proud of you.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Hugo, come! I thought I'd never see you again.
Me too.
I was so scared.
But you've done it. Can you walk?
Yes. Do you know how to get out of here?
Yes. Come.
Let's go. Let's leave this hell. One way or another.
Amicia, I thought you were dead. I really did.
I know.
I felt like I was all alone. So I made a mistake.
Hugo, we tried all we could.
But it's a big mistake. So many people are dying right now. I can feel it. And it's just the beginning.
Let's just get out of here. We can make it stop. We'll find Mother's house. And live. Really live.
But
We've earned it. This place feels familiar.
the way out is at the very end.
Hello. Can I do something for you?
Hello? We met already. Hey, what's going on with you?
It's the boy! He killed her!
I'm sorry.
Killed her? What the hell? What's going on?
She's right. I'm doing this.
How? I see no rats.
It's the mistake I made. It's what I've become.
Let's not stay here. Come.
We need to fix this, Amicia.
We'll find a solution, but first we must get out of here.
Yes. Look at them. I loved this place. And these people.
You have to stop this.
I can't.
Just focus. You did it before.
Have you already forgotten?
It's a lie. It's the macula playing tricks.
I am the macula now. I am.
What? No.
You knew it could happen. It's too late.
No.
I let the macula take all of me. Now this is what happens.
I know.
We must do something. We must stop people from dying.
Maybe if we leave, it will stop. Hugo, can it stop?
I'm eating them, Amicia. Not just them, but all the others. And even more as the rats spread.
So this is the end.
Not completely. We have one chance. The last one.
Tell me. I'll do anything.
I think you know already. You must stop me. To stop the macula.
Hugo, you can't ask me that.
You're the only one who can stop me from becoming a monster.
You're not a monster.
I will be. If I kill all I love. All these nice things you showed me.
I understand, but
Please, Amicia.
I'll try. All right. What now? Hugo, where are you? Where are you?
I'm sorry. But you're ready now. To save everything.
Ready? How can I be ready for this?
I know. But I can't stop myself now. Only you can stop me.
Hugo!
I love you. I've been happy with you. Goodbye, Amicia.
I love you. I love you so much. But when you're gone, there'll be nothing else. I'll be alone. All alone. I can't. Lucas.
I'm here. I'm here.
Oh no.
Can you stand up?
Yes.
He's there.
Yes.
Do you know what you have to do?
Yes.
Amicia, we're here.
I know.